Hello everyone, welcome back to the good stuff we've been doing. In the previous videos, we have discussed the binomial theorem and how we can multiply integral functions. Now, there are several methods of multiplication for integral function, and one of the standard is, suppose we ask to multiply, or let's say we are to expand this expression. We have x cubed, we have plus 2x squared, and then have plus 2x plus 1, and then we are to multiply with x squared minus x plus 1. One standard approach we can take is to probably start with x cubed, and then we are going to use x cubed to multiply x squared minus x plus 1, and then plus 2x squared is to multiply x squared minus x plus 1. We'll continue like this, and then 2x multiply x squared minus x plus 1, and then probably finally 1 have to multiply x squared minus x plus 1. So one disadvantage of this method is that grouping the terms, you have to maybe get here x to the fifth power, and after you are done multiplying out, you have to collect like terms. But there is a quick method that is popular in old textbooks for mathematics, and it says that the what you should do if you want to do this multiplication, okay, it's called the rule. They call it the long rule of multiplication. So let's say s squared minus s plus 1. So for the long rule of multiplication, the algorithm is this: take the first number, the one with the highest power of x, write it down as x squared, x cubed, okay, this is plus 2x squared plus 2x, then you have plus 1, and then in the other one here we'll be having x squared minus x, then we'll be having plus 1. This is how you just arrange them. Don't put the x squared under this x squared, just arrange it this way. Then the correct approach is to rule a line here, not just rule a line. Let's try to be fancy. Okay, plus 1, sorry. After the line has been ruled, I can't get the straight line with this. Let's manage this one. No. Oh, okay, see, after the line has been ruled, x squared will manage x cubed. I mean, sorry, not manage. x squared, you multiply x cubed to get x to the fifth power. Then x squared will multiply 2x squared to get 2x to the fourth power. X squared will multiply 2x to get 2x to the third power. Then finally we have single x squared here. Then what we'll do next is that negative x will go. Now, how we arrange this is that negative x is put underneath where it came from. Like, for example, negative x multiply x cubed, like it will get negative x to the fourth, but it will come under negative x for x to the fourth, like it will come under here, this line. The next approach is that negative x multiplying this will be getting negative 2x cubed, so it will have negative 2x cubed. Negative x multiplying this to get negative 2x squared, the negative x finally. That is how we go. Now the next way to go about this is we pick 1 have to multiply x cubed, just that the result will be under 1, so it has to go where it came from. The 1 has to multiply 2x squared, and we have 2x squared. And notice I'm not putting any plus or minus here, and it is for a good reason, which we shall see. So 1 has to multiply 2x to get 2x. Then finally 1 has to multiply 1 to get 1. Then what we'll do is to rule another line. Yeah, I'm always bad at ruling lines. Let me see. Let's try a different. Maybe I'm not lucky with this color. So let's see. No. Okay. So what we rule the line, we now get x to the fifth here. We add everything column wise. This one will give us x to the fourth power. This takes they cancel, so we'll get plus x to the third power. And then here this guy is cancelled, we'll get plus x squared. Here we'll get plus x, and then we'll get plus 1 finally. So it seems that when these guys are multiplied out, according to our long rule of multiplication, this answer is x to the fifth plus x to the fourth plus x cubed plus x squared plus 1. So that is what the long rule of multiplication says, how we perform multiplication. Now, this method is similar to the one we first described, where you have to manually do x cubed multiplying x squared minus x plus 1, and then you do plus 2x squared multiplying x squared minus x plus 1. So it's same method, just that this one we're able to solve it instantly. Like, there's no collecting light apart from normal addition, so everything is fixed under the power. So we'll do more example on this in the future in the next video. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.